welcome to HCC's 3D Printing Essentials course. My name is Israel Garza. This course is intended to give you a technical understanding of 3D printing. After completing this course, you will be able to move throughout the entire process of 3D printing. This includes knowing the basic anatomy of a 3D printer, best practices, and even advanced maintenance. Although you will learn about 3D printing in a general sense, we have developed this course to run parallel with the Ultimaker brand of 3D printers. By doing so, you will have the opportunity to be certified by Ultimaker as a printer operator. This credential will provide you a competitive advantage out in industry. Each module in this course will have an HCC component, and then it will direct you to the Ultimaker Academy, where you will study the parallel Ultimaker module. This first module will introduce you to many commonly used terms associated with a 3D printer. Very quickly, you will understand that, although all FFF printers fundamentally use the same process to create an object, 3D printing is offered through a number of manufacturers, so not all 3D printers are the same. What does FFF mean? Stick around. You'll learn that and many other terms in this module for 3D printing terminology.